Proteas izohlangana emasontweni amabili ngaphambi kokuba kuqale lomqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba. Lokhu kuzemva ukuthi abanye abadlali besabambe iqhaza kuligi yebhola lomnqakiswano iTelkom futhi abanye besesemaqenjini abo phesheya kwelwandle.
We've had our preparation, we are ready, so that would just be the final touches, the last 2 weeks getting that final touches ready for the World Cup. So yes, I think that is definitely enough time.
U-Griesel useqenjini elizomela izwe emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba. Kanti wayekhona nakuleli qembu elalimelela kuleli kwendebe yomhlaba eNgilandi.
I'm so happy and so relieved, and you're very honored to be a part of this squad, and so excited for the World Cup. Like, I can't wait. I think it would be great playing in front of the home crowd and on South African soil, and yeah, I think it will definitely be the highlight of my career.
I-Proteas ibhekene nempi la ithutha njengoba eqoqwene kulo izodlala neSri Lanka, iWales kanye neJamaica. U-Griesel uthi iJamaica iyona ebukeka iyingozi.
So it's definitely not going to be easy. We have a tough pool, but I think it's great preparation also for the rest of the games ahead. Jamaica will definitely be our biggest competition in our pool. Not taking anything away from any of the other teams, it's still going to be tough, but Jamaica will be the biggest opponent.
I-Proteas izobe isengcindezeni enkulu njengoba ifuna ukukhala emuke nayo le ndebe yomhlaba.
Everyone's expecting for us to at least get a medal, as you said, or get on the podium, but we are definitely working towards getting that trophy and the gold, and that's our challenge, and we're taking it on, and that's our aim.
Emdlalweni weProteas wokuqala kulomqhudelwano iyobe ibhekene neWales mhla zingamashumi 28 insuku kuNtulikazi.